There are many players who played cricket, but there are very less players who are being remembered by the cricket fans. And there are even less players who have created a legacy of their own. And Ben Stokes is one of them who did create a legacy of his own in the modern day cricket. Let's look back at the legacy created by Ben Stokes for the English fans and also for the cricket fans. Let me take you back to the year 2013 when Ben Stokes announced himself as a premium fast bowling all rounder. Year 2013, he got his debut cap against Australia in the Ashes in the Test match, and he scored 100 in that very series and announced himself as the premium English fast bowling all rounder. Year 2015, Ashes again. Ben Stokes scored 201 runs by taking 11 wickets and established himself as a match winner. Year 2016 was a bit of bittersweet for Ben Stokes, where Team England lost to Team West Indies in the final of T20 World Cup 2016, and that was the breakthrough period. That was the time Ben Stokes decided that this thing is not going to be repeated in the next World Cup. Then came the year 2019, the game changing year for both Ben Stokes and the English cricket team. In the ODI World Cup 2019, Ben Stokes scored 400 plus runs with 7 wickets and with the Player of the Match award in the final against New Zealand. Now, people have many different opinions about the final, but at the end, Ben Stokes was the Player of the Match in the final and he scored a lot of runs in that particular ODI World Cup. Year 2019 again. One of the best knock by Ben Stokes, which the cricketing world are still in awe with, the 135 not out versus Australia at Headingley. Now, every cricket fan, and even if you are not a cricket fan, everybody knows about that inning, and till date, everybody talks about that inning. That is one of the greatest clutch knock by Ben Stokes. Now, the year 2022, where Ben Stokes again played a very key role for Team England. In the final, he scored 52 unbeaten, and England won the T20 World Cup 2022 also. In the year 2022, Ben Stokes got his captaincy by Joe Root in the Test, and here the baseball era begins. The baseball era began with a clean sweep when New Zealand was playing against England, and England clean swapped New Zealand. And again, we always talk about that life brings us through the circle. So Ben Stokes started his captaincy career by clean sweeping New Zealand, and now when he has got retired, England lost the series again against New Zealand. So that's the way life brings you to the circle. Between this period, there were many ups and downs in England cricket team. England cricket team was also unable to win the Anderson Tendulkar Trophy against India also. That series was also tied or drawn, and they were unable to win the Ashes. 2015 was the last time when Team England won the Ashes. Till now, they are struggling a bit here and there, but Ben Stokes remained to mark his name, to create his own legacy, and to make sure that the modern day cricket lovers remember him forever. And whenever they watch England playing, they will remember Ben Stokes. So, by this, the legacy of Ben Stokes comes to an end, and I hope each and every cricket fan will always remember him to be one of the greatest pace bowling all rounder in the world. For more such news, updates, and latest news, keep watching Dev Sports. Thanks for watching.